What are they? What's in there? Show me. Here, give me the paper. No, you don't need to wrap it up. Show me. What is it? Cars? Okay, we'll open in a minute. Yeah, open that one. Take the paper out. Pull the paper out, silly. Pull the paper out. Pull it. Here. Okay, pull the paper. Pull it. Okay, what's in there? What is that? What is it? Look. What is that? Here you go. Okay, show me what you got. Okay. Okay, put your hand in. Show me. Oh. Tickle him. Oh, tickle. Okay. Okay, let's turn it off for a little bit.